Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Imovie and loading the project that contains the noisy clip. Tap the timeline and select the specific video or audio clip you want to clean up. This targets adjustments to only that segment. Once the clip is highlighted, tap the audio controls icon so the app shows volume and audio tools. Doing this first saves time because you won't adjust the whole project. You're isolating the problem area for focused noise reduction and clearer results. With the clip selected, tap the volume button to reveal audio options, then enable Reduce Background Noise. Move the reduction slider slowly while playing the clip so you can hear the change in real time. This prevents overprocessing that makes audio sound hollow. If voice still lacks presence, try an equalizer preset like Voice or Enhance. Make small adjustments and listen. You're balancing noise removal with natural tone, so gradual changes preserve clarity while cutting unwanted ambient sounds. Finish by trimming or splitting any remaining noisy parts and reapplying the same settings so each segment sounds consistent. Once satisfied, export a short test clip and play it on another device to confirm the reduction holds up outside Imovie. If you hear artifacts or unnatural warbling, dial back the noise reduction a bit and use the equalizer to restore vocal warmth. This combination often resolves issues. If problems persist, consider using a dedicated audio app for advanced restoration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.